Kabaka Pyramid, a reggae visionary bridging tradition and modernity. Kabaka Pyramid, born Karen Salmon, is a Jamaican reggae and hip-hop artist renowned for his insightful lyrics, genre-blending style, and commitment to spreading positive messages. With his deep, socially conscious approach, Kabaka has emerged as a leading voice in the reggae revival movement, a collective of young artists dedicated to revitalizing traditional reggae themes for modern audiences. Hailing from Kingston, Jamaica, Kabaka combines elements of roots reggae, dancehall, and hip-hop to create a sound that is both progressive and rooted in tradition. Raised in a musical environment and heavily influenced by Rastafarian culture, Kabaka's journey into music began with his early fascination with hip-hop. He admired legendary hip-hop lyricists such as Nas and Rakim, whose lyrical dexterity and social commentary resonated with him. This foundation in hip-hop eventually merged with his Jamaican roots and a love for reggae, leading Kabaka to craft his distinctive style. His stage name, Kabaka, a term used for Ugandan kings, signifies his connection to African heritage, while Pyramid symbolizes the knowledge and ancient wisdom that he hopes to convey through his music. Kabaka Pyramid's music career took off with the release of several singles and mixtapes that captured the attention of reggae and hip-hop audiences alike. Songs like Free from Chains and Warriors showcased his lyrical prowess and commitment to delivering messages of unity, empowerment, and resistance. He gained significant recognition in 2013 with his EP Lead the Way, which included tracks like No Capitalist and Worldwide Love. This project emphasized his talent for fusing reggae's spiritual messages with sharp, socially critical insights, commenting on issues like economic inequality and global unity. His thoughtful and poetic approach quickly garnered a loyal following. In 2018, Kabaka released his debut album, Contraband, produced by Damian Marley. The album solidified his place as a force within the reggae genre, with tracks such as Reggae Music and Borders featuring Stonebwoy. Contraband addressed themes of migration, identity, and resilience, and featured collaborations with both reggae legends and rising stars. The album's production quality, lyrical depth, and musical innovation showcased Kabaka's commitment to creating timeless reggae with contemporary relevance. In 2022, he followed up with his sophomore album The Kaliying, also produced by Marley, and the album won Kabaka his first Grammy for Best Reggae Album in 2023. The Kaliying further reinforced Kabaka's reputation for bringing intellectual and cultural themes to the reggae genre. Kabaka Pyramid's lifestyle reflects the values he promotes through his music. As a devoted Rastafarian, he embraces a holistic approach to life, focusing on spirituality, health, and conscious living. He is an advocate for veganism and natural health practices, often sharing insights about wellness with his fans. His commitment to upliftment extends to his community involvement, where he actively supports education and youth empowerment initiatives in Jamaica. Kabaka's career is estimated to have brought him a net worth in the range of $500,000 to $1 million. Although he may not be as commercially wealthy as mainstream artists, his wealth lies in his cultural influence and the respect he commands in the reggae community. Kabaka Pyramid's impact as a conscious artist marks him as a significant figure in modern reggae, bridging the gap between traditional roots and the future of the genre. His journey stands as an example of how music can be a powerful tool for personal and social transformation.